Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today, okay, sorry about that. Okay, so today I'm going to be installing an Empire Performance exhaust on my Subaru WRX, and it's a catless exhaust. It only has one resonator and one muffler, which is straight through. So it's going to be fucking loud, and I hope it's going to be loud because that's kind of the whole point of buying the exhaust. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so one of these boxes has the exhaust. If you can guess the right box, good for you. Alright, so it's going to be this one right here. This is all the bolts and the gaskets you're going to need. They put them together. By the way, this is a company in Perth, I think. Yeah, in Perth. And they make this and then they ship it out to you. So, this is the downpipe from the turbo back. Well, that's what it means. I don't know what the fuck I just said. Muffler. And this is the mid pipe for the resonator. It's kind of heavy. And this, where's the muffler? Goes inside here, like so, and it makes the car quiet. But you know what? This is junk. Okay, so like after like close inspection of the exhaust was actually really good. Like the quality of the welds and like the metal itself, and like how like everything feels nice and weighted, not like so it's like extremely heavy, but like it just feels like a nice product considering how much different this is in cost to like say an Nvidia exhaust. Like an Nvidia exhaust is like 1,700 something Australian, right? This was literally only 500. So for what you get, like I think it might be a pretty good deal. My only like curious thing that I'm like curious about, well, it makes no sense, but the thing that I'm really interested to see is like how good it'll sound in comparison to an Nvidia. Like I've never heard an Nvidia, but it's got the same things that Nvidia exhausts have. So like I'm really like interested to see, you know. And that's what we're gonna do today. So keep watching. I'm also going to quickly give you guys a clip of the exhaust before. Before is just a muffler delete with a Canon muffler. So you guys will get an understanding of like the difference between a full straight pipe. Basically this is what it is, a straight pipe. So you get to see the big differences between the two. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit hard for me to show you guys what I'm doing under the car because of the lighting and like how low it is, and like I'm one person, so it's gonna be hard to like hold it and then do it one hand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna time lapse everything, and once the exhaust is installed, I'll do the rest. It's not really an installation video, but like, then what's the point of this video? I don't know. You're watching, so tell me. Let me know. Let me know. Also, before you start, safety is number one priority, okay?
Now, son, on your first day of school, I'd like to pass along the words of advice my father gave me.
Homer, you're dumb as a mule and twice as ugly. If a strange man offers you a ride, I say take it.
Lousy traumatic childhood.
Yeah, but seriously, you're gonna need these because like all the exhaust shit falls in your face when you're underneath the car. So yeah. Ow. This is why you wear something on your eyes. There's one part, well, third part, there's one more, and it's gonna be a lot harder than I thought. I don't know if I want to do it. I already cut myself on my hand, so I might just, yep.
A little sail down, light the little light. This is the way to the garden in the night.
I should do sleep just then. And once everything is in the place, zip, 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 and we're done. Alright, last piece, this one to here. The lighting's not too good, so I'm just gonna do it and show you guys. Okay, after all that, I'm actually extremely exhausted. I didn't do one part of the exhaust, which is on the up pipe that did have this piece to replace it, but it was just too much work. So this is what actually came out of the car. It's the down pipe and the cat. Those two resonators, I think they are, and then that's the muffler, and then that was the muffler delete someone did with the Canon. But that's out, and I'll go show you guys the car. Okay, so it's been about, I think, 2 weeks now since the last clip I filmed of this exhaust. That's because I've just been trying it out and seeing what I feel about, how I feel about the exhaust. And the rest of this video is going to be like basically the review section of the Empire Performance exhaust. And I'll throw in lots of clips and stuff so you guys can understand what it's like and like my reaction to it as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Oh, I should not have done that. It was really fucking awkward. bad inside. Like obviously if you drive the car hard it will be loud, but if you don't drive the car too hard and you're just like, you know, staying under boost almost and just changing through gears like you're driving like a normal person would, it's really not that bad inside the car with the windows up. So yeah, that's about it. Can't really think of anything else to say. Also, I just realised I need to turn right. I'm in the wrong lane. No, I'm in the right lane. But yeah. So how's the weather? Not too bad. Yep. Cool. Alright, now I'll put the windows up and you guys will get a understanding of like the audio from inside. Like you can still talk to another person next to you and you know, you can still listen to music. It is loud, but it's not drony at all. Like it's a nice tone. And see now I'm about 2000 RPM at 60 k's an hour. Slightly have to feather the accelerator, that's all. It's really not that bad. Like for this being a straight turbo back exhaust, no cats, one resonator and the muffler at the end, it's really not that bad inside. On the outside it's pretty loud, but I like it so far. I'm like really happy, especially for $500. Like $500 for this exhaust is actually ridiculous. I don't know how they like. I guess materials are cheap, but still to manufacture something, especially something that fits in perfectly. Like I had no issues with this exhaust. The only issue was the up pipe, and I believe it's because once it was bolted into the stock headers, it left the gap at the top side of it, closer to the engine, and would leak from there. And then obviously if the exhaust gas from there is leaking, I'm not going to be able to breathe at all. And it's not a good idea to have a leaking exhaust. Anyways, so that didn't fit. I think that might work if I have bigger headers, so maybe 3-inch headers will fit that plane properly. But yeah, that was a waste of my time. I had to take it out again and put the stock one back in. Also, I only wanted to replace it in the first place was because I believe the stock ones have cats in them. But I think once this model came out of WRX, they stopped doing that because there was nothing. Like my up pipe, the stock up pipe was empty. It was just straight through. So yeah, that was also a waste of my time. But that's alright. At least you guys didn't have to watch me do that. Also, I didn't film it, so like you didn't really have a choice. But and this is driving hard inside the car. Not too sure what the noise will be like, but hey, if it sounds good to you, you should go buy yourself an exhaust. Yes, this exhaust, $500. $500. It's literally the same setup as an Nvidia in one turbo back exhaust, no caps. They have one resonator and the muffler at the back. This exhaust is the exact same thing. And from the shots you guys saw, those welds are really good quality. Alright, this is with all the windows down. And I just changed up the angle so you guys get a different view as opposed to looking at my face. anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching all that. Those are all the clips that I was able to get together. At the end of the day, for me, if you're buying an exhaust to make your car louder, and it's a Subaru WRX, and this is the exhaust that you're thinking about buying, I would 100% recommend buy it. Worst case scenario, if you don't like it, it's only 500 as opposed to like spending, I don't know, 1700 on Nvidia and then going, oh, don't like it, and then like, you know, you lost 1700 as opposed to only 500. Anyways, overall this exhaust is actually amazing, and I just want to say thank you to Empire Performance for making a good product. And what else? I think that's it. If I missed something, it's unfortunate, but thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll post another video in like, I don't know, when I think of something else to do. I have ideas, but like, I don't know, they cost money, and like, I did a lot of stuff to the car actually, but actually, jokes, I just stopped filming because there was a car coming and I got really awkward and I got shy. But yeah, thank you for watching, have a good night, bye.